Beautiful day, beautiful garden. My goodness, look at that. Beautiful. Such a nice, beautiful garden. And if you take a nice good look, somebody's ready to join us. Somebody's ready to join Tummy Town. Look at that one. Beautiful. Look at that. That's the butternut squash, honeynut squash going right there. That one's almost ready. And they just take over the whole garden. Look at this one right here. It's getting there, but this one right here, this is the one that I'm looking at. It's almost ready. Plan for the papayas is once I harvest these squash, I'm going to take the papayas out and move them so they can thrive and they're not competing in here. And I'm going to end up treating the leaves because I've been not doing such a good job and getting water on the leaves, but it's looking beautiful. It's looking beautiful out here. And I almost forgot. Hold on now. I almost forgot. Yeah, we forgot about this over here. Yeah, we got our onions and we got our broccoli. Broccoli thriving. I don't know if you remember the last time seeing this, but that was a little bitty leaf and it was getting choked out by the weeds. And I refused to pull the weeds because the weeds tell me everything I need to know about the garden. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Hey, if you've been enjoying my gardening journey thus far, please share this with somebody, because my goal is to be able to feed as many people as I can, including myself. And in order for me to do that, I need to learn how to grow this food. So come along for the journey. Be well. What you doing? What you doing? Hey y'all, thank you for watching and supporting my channel. I have learned so much through this gardening journey, and on this gardening journey, it has taught me so many things. This is a new level type of patience, and I have learned that what's going to happen is going to happen. And the more that we interfere with this process, the more we essentially interfere with what is naturally supposed to happen. And I think that goes against what a lot of professionals and people have been trained in growing a garden and maintaining a garden. But as you see all the weeds that I have in my garden. You see all that. You see what my garden looks like, but still, I love where I'm going. I love where I'm headed. And I know what you're thinking. What does this have to do with health? It has everything to do with health, because when you cut out that middleman and you see exactly what goes into your food as it's being grown, you know that you didn't spray it. You didn't put any type of weird things in it. You gain the utmost nutrients, you gain the utmost patience. And just like health and growing food, it takes time. There is no one size fit all, and there is a process that needs to be carried out for you to reap the benefits. There's a lot of times where I feel like we feel that we're being proactive in our health, and a lot of times we aren't doing what we should be doing. Okay, we need to be living on a preventative measure, not on a reactive measure. So everything you do should lead in and build in to the health and the quality of life that you are wanting. I appreciate you for listening, for watching. Let's continue to grow every single day. Here, but basically, I'm really excited right now because it's time. It's time, it's time, it's time. I don't know how long this took. I'll have to check back for the videos and stuff like that. And I'm not really supposed to step in here like this, but it's time. So how we tell that this plant is ready is the leaves will start dying out because it's giving all the nutrients to the fruit. And you'll see powdery mildew on the leaves. So we see that. They're literally wasting away because it's time to start anew. So I'm going to cut about right here for our plant. Well, first, making sure that everything is good. We're ready for it. It's uniformly tan. It's ready. I'm going to cut right here. I don't need a twist or anything like that. I'm just going to cut, and I'm going to cut at an angle so that it comes back. Here we go. Here's our free food. Oh, this is such an exciting day.